Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. Today is 30th, is the end of the month. So I'd like us to start off, let's see exactly what happened during the previous month. We'd like to see exactly what we expect to be happening also in the coming month. Just a second.
But I'm sorry.
So we are going to start off. Just a second. I will start off with this chart here. So if you remember what I said, we had on the monthly chart. So we drew a line here during the beginning of the month. We said that this was a very good support and that the price was supposed to come back and pull back to it. So we had a support here, we had a support, we had a support, and we had a support here. When the price broke below this level, we expected that it should have come back to the same point, bounce off from it, then head straight to the low. So that's not what has happened. Instead, the price just went down. So we are still looking at this level here as a good place to sell from. If you want to see what happens, you have a pending sell limit here, have your stop loss above the high of this green candle, have your stop loss above it, expect the sellers to continue downwards until we see a very good buy. So as it is now, this is now a good sign that we are now continuing downwards. Therefore we expect the sellers to take control. Now the next chart which I'd like us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this has been bullish. You remember what I said last month? We were expecting a sell up to this point. So we did say that this is a very good resistance. We had a very good resistance. There was this breakout here. We were expecting that following this candle, this red candle, we expected the price to continue downwards, at least up to this point, so that we pick a buy when the price gets there. Our stop loss was to be below the low of this candle here. So that's not what has happened. The price instead has just gone upwards, and we do expect it to continue much higher. If it does close beyond this line, this is that 135.057, then we expect it to continue upwards at least up to 145.274. So that's that chart. The next chart is the GBP USD. So on this one, we did not expect this breakout. We were expecting that the price may likely continue upwards, because as you can see, we had a very good support here. We had a good support, we had a support, there's the support here. Then this candle here could not close below it. Instead it closed just slightly above it. So we did expect that this candle here, which is now red, to close green, which means if you took a buy based on what we said, you're supposed to be in a loss as you're speaking now, but you should now be looking for sell positions. When the next month opens, we want to see a pullback at least up to around 1.21796, so that we pick a sell position. We expect the sellers to push price much lower. My next chart is the Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, we expected the price to come down at least up to this point. That has not happened. We were looking for price around this area here. We wanted to see that the price comes to this point. We pick a buy position. Our stop loss is set below the low of this candle here. then our take profit is here, the next one is there, and then the last one is the one we have at the top. So expect that the price should continue upwards up to this level. If it breaks above this level, expect it to extend higher up to the next level, which is this one. If this level is broken, expect it to continue even higher, at least up to the next level, which is this one here. The next instrument I want us to look at is the SP500. So on this chart so far, we still expect the price to continue upwards. You can see from the indicator we're having this just the normal moving average, and also this indicator, all of them are green. So we do expect the bars to take control, which means you should see a possible break above this line. If this line is broken, then expect the price to continue upwards up to that point, where if you go beyond this level, expect another break above this point, then the price needs to continue even higher. My next instrument is gold. So with gold so far, it looks like the price is now headed for a sell. If the current candle closes as it is now, then it is possible that we may see the price extend much lower. So we have a resistance here, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support. There is this breakout. As it is now, we are looking forward for a continuation to the lower side, at least up to these two lines here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, keep looking for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push price downwards up to this level. If that level is broken, then expect it to continue much lower, at least up to this level here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.